Hi, this is Nakul from Engage Leads and welcome to the demo video of our latest software called Fused. Now what is Fused? Fused is a new and simple system designed in newbies in mind. The Fused process enables users to generate an income from affiliate and CPA products without actually selling anything. Yes, that's the USP. Fused connects with multiple networks so users can instantly find the most profitable offers in multiple high income categories, which will enable them to get paid without selling. Now, what this system incorporates? It's a cloud-based software, so you don't have to install anything. We have got research module included. We have got done for you hosted category pages. It has got instant traffic module, and along with that, we are also going to give you detailed training on the entire software and how to use this system. So in a nutshell, this system is absolute newbie friendly and getting started with Fused is super easy. So now let's go ahead and see how this software works. Right now I'm in the dashboard of the software and we have to start with creating new campaign. So let's click on create new campaign and let's put our niche. So say we are starting a campaign in paid niche, create a campaign and start with finding out relevant CPA and affiliate offers. So let's put our keyword over here, say let's pet insurance and click on search. Here you can see few offers available in paid niche. Okay, so now let's go ahead and start with this one. So click on the action button and click on promote. Now software will give you pre-made templates from which you can pick. So let's go ahead with this one, and this is the template. So what you need to do here is you can simply add your content. All right, so here you can see our message is reflecting. From here you can upload your logo as well. Just have to click and upload your image. Okay, and on the left hand side you will find several options. So you have got autoresponder integration option, from where here you can integrate any autoresponder, or we have integrated few like active campaign and Aweber and other popular autoresponders. If you don't have your autoresponder listed over here, you can simply copy and paste your code over here and you are done. Once that is done, we have got tracking code option over here as well. So you can put your Google Analytics code, Google AdWords tracking code, Facebook tracking codes, whatever, you can put it over here. For SEO options, you can put your title and SEO meta description, SEO meta keywords. We have thank you page options over here. So you can choose thank you page options from here, and we have styling option here as well. Okay, so now if you want to say change this image, so let's click here on this image. Okay, and we will change the image. So in Pixabay, let's search for the image. Okay, let's see, this is the image that we want to use. So we will simply upload it. Okay, and now for this image, we will enable it to fit to the page. So this is how my page looks like, and this is how it will look. I can change several other things from here as well. So colors and everything is possible. Now once that is done, you just have to click on save and your page is saved. The next step is you can publish. So just click on publish option. This is your link. You can copy the link. Okay, and you can use this link now for publishing your page. Okay, so this is how your page will look like. And now the next step is driving traffic. So we have included ads module over here, from where you can create your ads. So click on generate ads and you can put your brand name over here, whatever it is, your keywords over here, some relevant keywords. Okay, and click on generate ad. So once that is done, the system will create Bing ads or Google AdWords search ads for you. Okay, so here are the options. From here you can download the ads. We have got 3 different options. Now why we are basically focusing on Bing is It's because it has got lowest competition. It's very easy to get approved by Bings for your ads, and you get maximum ROI with Bing ads. So we have created complete training module for this, how to use Bing ads for CPA and how to get maximum results for CPA. So that is also included in the training part of the software. And here you will get all the details, access details, users, tutorials. Here you will find all the tutorials. Okay, so this is how Fused software works. It not only creates landing pages, it also finds different CPA offers in different categories. It creates landing pages and it also creates ads for you. So it's a complete package in itself, and it's very simple and easy to use. I'm sure your customers would love it. So thank you for watching this video and see you on the leaderboard.